Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I have not talked to you in a while, so today is going to be my Sunday reset. I am doing a charcuterie board. I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes and do a little bit of cleaning and possibly shower. We'll see. But don't forget to like and subscribe down below to my channel for more videos just like this. You guys, I was craving a charcuterie board, so I went to my local health food store that I have, and they have like these random pieces of cheese that you can like get for like $3. So I got those. I decided to cut them up because I love trying new cheeses. I wanted some raspberries, and then I got some salami from the deli department. So, and then I saw this turkey. It's like maple turkey. I was like, ooh, it's gonna be good. So I put that on there too. You guys, I wanted one so bad, and I ate all this by myself. So the first area that I needed to clean is gonna be my living room. I like to take turns with cleaning different parts of my apartment just because, you know, mom life, don't want to get burned out and have other things to do. So I use my Swiffer. Everybody knows that I come in contact with it. I love my Swiffer. I am not the mop kind of person unless I definitely need to. So the next area that I needed to clean was my bathroom. You guys, I have been using some health-friendly, eco-friendly cleaner, but this time we are going in with Comet. Thank you to Comet for sponsoring this video. No, I'm just playing. But I had to overdo it, and my baby was not here today, so I decided to spray it down. So the next thing we did was clean off the counter, and I also cleaned the toilet. I'm gonna show you guys how nice and clean it is. Oh my gosh. And the next thing we're gonna do after everything is nice and clean is go ahead and put my shower liner on. I have not had a shower liner the entire time I've stayed in this apartment. I don't know how I've been living my life like that, but today's the day. You guys, after cleaning, I decided to get in the shower. At this point, I was starting to get a little tired, so I decided to just go ahead and get in, wash my hair, and enjoy my shower. So I'm gonna use herbal essence, conditioner. If you have curly hair, you understand. We're gonna pack a crap ton of it on. You guys know I love my flamingo razor and my EOS cream. I'm going to go ahead and start shaving. Last but not least, I like to use Dove Rejuvenating Body Wash. This is in the fragrance pomegranate. It smells so yummy. At this point, you guys, I got soap in my eyeball and my camera died right after this clip. So the rest of the video did not make it, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.